Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to find your wallet address for any coin on the Binance exchange. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to go over to binance.com and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, go over to Wallet in the top right and click on Find and Spot. Because as you can see, right here you can deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and you simply want to go over to deposit, because you would like to deposit funds onto Binance. So click on that, and then make sure to select the coin. Now if you're being sent over to the deposit via page, which sometimes happens, make sure to click on deposit crypto, and you'll then be sent over to the deposit crypto page. Now just go over to select coin, click on the coin selector, and search for the cryptocurrency you would like to deposit. In this case, I'll be using BNB, and then you want to go over to deposit to, and you need to select the network you would like to use. This needs to be the same network as you have selected on the wallet you're transferring from, because if you send your funds from, let's say, the Ethereum chain to the Binance Smart Chain, all of your funds will be lost. So make sure to go over to the exchange you're withdrawing from and look at whether or not these chains are available. If you're not sure which chain to use, go over to Google and search for something like which chain to use to transfer, then the name of the currency you would like to transfer from the exchange you're transferring from to Binance. Now for example, when I go over to Qcoin and go over to the withdrawal button, which is right there, and then when I click on withdrawal and I'm going to select BNB, you can see that you have to select the network you're withdrawing from. In this case, it's the Binance chain, BEP2, and the Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. So on Binance, you can see that I can select 3 networks. However, the Ethereum chain, or ERC20, is not available on Qcoin. So it doesn't matter which one I select right here, as long as you select the same one on Binance. So if I'm selecting BNB, I need to select BNB right here. And if I'm selecting the Binance Smart Chain, so BSC or BEP20, I need to go over to Binance and select the Binance Smart Chain, so BEP20 as well. You can then simply see your wallet address right here and copy it by clicking on click to copy. Now if you're on your phone and you would like to scan a QR code, just hover your mouse over the QR code icon and you'll then see your QR code pop up. You can simply scan this on your phone, and that's it for today's tutorial. If you've got any questions left at all, please make sure to ask me in the comments down below so I can help you out. And by the way, you can also change the selected wallet, so the spot wallet or the funding wallet. And that's really it for today's video.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.